Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Podia creator account to sell online courses, memberships, and digital downloads, follow these comprehensive steps for successful verification. Step 1. Visit the Podia website and click on Start Your Free Trial or Sign Up to create a new account. Step 2. Enter your email address, create a password, and provide basic information about yourself and your business. Step 3. After completing the registration, Podia will send a verification email to the address you provided. Check your email inbox. Step 4. Open the verification email from Podia and click on the verification link to confirm your email address. Step 5. Log into your Podia account and navigate to the settings section by clicking on your profile or the settings icon. Step 6. Complete your creator profile by adding your name, business name, and other relevant information about your offerings. Step 7. To start selling products, you'll need to set up payment processing. Navigate to the payments section in Settings. Step 8. Connect your Stripe or PayPal account to receive payments from customers. You'll need to verify your payment account separately through Stripe or PayPal. Step 9. If required for tax purposes, provide your tax identification number or complete the necessary tax forms within your account settings. Step 10. Once all verification and setup steps are complete, you can create and sell your digital products through Podia. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.